Hello, I'm Tony Oliver from Shell Robot Company, and I'd like to present a package that can be interesting for those of you that use ROS control to control your robots. So we found that if you have two different robots that have a ROS control driver, and you want to run them in the same control loop, that's not wasn't feasible until now straight away. This is the ROS control architecture. And as you can see, there's only one robot hardware component here, that's your robot driver. So there was a long discussion on the GitHub issues, and we took some ideas from existing pull requests, and we created this package called combined robot hardware. That is not showing on the other screen, but here there's a zoom in where you can see that dynamically loads as plugins the robot hardware components for your robot, and runs them all in the same loop. So basically, if you have an existing robot hardware component that you want to use with combined robot hardware, what you will need to do is to have a parameterless constructor, because it's using plugin lib, and that's a requirement, and then have an init function where the initialization of your robot happens, and it gets past a node handle. So yeah, please, if you are going to implement a robot hardware component, consider making it compatible with combined robot hardware. Here's a link on some examples of how to do it. Then there's also this other package where we have a ready-to-use node that creates a real-time loop. It's based on the PR2 main loop. And basically that allows you, by configuring which plugins do you want to load on a parameter, to launch straight away your robot with the proper drivers. And here's a link, and that's it. Thank you.